welcome to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Teo, and I travel full-time in my self-converted 2001 Ford E250 with my cat Lars. And right now we are about to drive into Kansas. I'm trying to head to Denver, maybe get there by the end of the day, who knows? But right now we're in Kansas. How do you say people from Kansas? Like with Texas is Texans. How do you say people from Kansas? Kansans? Kanzonians? Kansansians? Is it Kansansians? Let me know down in the comments.
15 years old, sitting in a burning car in the middle of a crowded parking lot one Monday night in October. He burned for nearly 4 hours before the police let the firemen near enough to put out the flames and pull out his body. I didn't know him, not really. We lived in a small town. I knew him by sight, knew his name, but I doubt we'd ever exchanged more than a few perfunctory words.
One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. I would drag to my knees so empty. Will you take me? I wanna kill you the way that you kill me too. Wanna take your breath away. I swear on me if I was broke. Promise you only do what you know.
What's up, guys? So we are now in Denver, Colorado. I didn't really know where to go. I kind of just wanted to check out Denver. I passed it on my way here last time, so I didn't really come through. But apparently there is a place here that has Dubai chocolate, and I'm parked right outside of it. So I've never tried Dubai chocolate. If you've seen it, it's that chocolate with the green stuff in it. It's like from TikTok. I mean, it's not from TikTok, but you get what I'm saying. But it got popularized on TikTok, and apparently this store right next to me sells it. I've been wanting to try it for months now, so I'm gonna go see if they have it. Hopefully they do, and we can get some to have tonight for dessert. So let's go check it out. I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back, Whoopi. Wings Bakery. I realized shortly after driving into Denver why I don't really like big towns anymore, and it really reminded me why I live in a van. There's so many people here, it's so crowded. It's giving me the vibe that I just want to leave. I'm not quite ready to go back into the woods per se after my tick scare, but I definitely don't want to be in this big town. I was gonna try to maybe like stealth camp around here, but I'm not feeling it. So I think I'm gonna grab some food to eat, and then I think we're gonna head to the rest stop that we stayed at a few months ago when I went snowboarding for the first time. I stayed at this really nice, chill rest stop with like an iced over pond, good service and all that. So I think we'll stay there. All right, so I'm about 30 minutes away from where we're going to be camping tonight. I decided to stop at Walmart and go inside in case there's a couple things I want to grab. I'm thinking about actually making like a easy pizza tonight from scratch, but like a 2-ingredient pizza. If you guys watched my pizza competition video I did like probably like earlier winter, my friend Anthony did a 2-ingredient pizza dough where he just mixed Greek yogurt and self-rising flour. So I kind of want to do that because I'm craving pizza, but I'm not craving doing a whole spiel. So I'm going to do that. And we're going to make a pizza for dinner tonight. And also, it is freezing. I did not expect to go through Colorado. Last minute decision. I was going to go through Texas and New Mexico and all that. Last minute, I was like, let's just go through Colorado. I thought it was going to be warm. There's snow everywhere still. It's April. Wait, no, it's May. It's actually May right now. So it is still freaking cold. And I don't have a single jacket. So I need to go find one. Maybe I'll find one in Walmart. We'll see. But let's go grab some groceries and get to where we're going to stay tonight. Be right back, Bubby. Okay, so I did not find a jacket, but for some reason, I decided to buy a pair of shorts. I don't understand me either. Sometimes you see shorts, you want to get shorts. It's already like 8 p.m. and it's still fairly bright outside. Like, I would have definitely thought it was more like 6:30. It's like 8 p.m. All right, guys, I'm at my camp spot. I'm just gonna whip this together as quick as I can so I can go to bed. All right, so this is the pizza. 2-ingredient dough, literally self-rising flour and Greek yogurt. And honestly, for how simple it is, look at that. That looks really freaking good. It's very hot, but I'm super excited to try this. I give it a second. All right, I'm gonna let this cool down a little bit. I was hoping to do some gaming, but yeah, I literally have one bar. My TV's working, but there's no way I'm gonna be able to game at all. So yeah, I'll probably just watch a movie on Netflix tonight before I go to bed. But yeah, nice little spot. It's a little loud from the road noise. I don't mind spots that are loud, to be honest. In fact, I prefer if I'm going to like a truck stop or a rest stop, or like I'm stealth camping at like a Walmart or something like that, I prefer it to be loud because it makes me feel like I'm okay. Like if I'm at a place and like it's crickets and like it's one of those places that it's kind of iffy if you're allowed to stay and it's like dead silent, like I pretty much just turn the car off and go straight to bed. No TV or anything, no lights, because I'm like, if someone does come, they're gonna like see me instantly. But when it's a loud place, when there's generators and all that kind of stuff going on, it's like white noise, and I can sleep and just like be in here and exist without thinking that I'm making so much noise. So yeah, I'm gonna have a good night's sleep tonight. I wish I could have gamed a little bit, but Starlink, I still don't know what's going on with my Starlink, but hopefully I can figure that out soon. Maybe it's like a new cord. Maybe I need to replace the cord. I guess we'll see. But even though it's still piping hot, I'm gonna get into this pizza, man. I'm starving, and it looks so freaking good. All right, I might burn my mouth, but first bite, and look at that. Look at the crust. This is 2-ingredient pizza dough. Said I'll be doing a pizza video on my food channel, where I'll show you a couple different ways to make pizza, like quick and then like the complex way, and maybe add some more stuff in there. But let's get into this pizza. Cheers. I'm at an angle, so my chair like keeps wanting to roll this way. It's taking a lot of strength, a lot of angle strength to like stay in frame. It is piping hot. But this dough is like, honestly, I feel like this makes a pretty good pizza dough. I have no complaints for how quick it took. But like you can even tell by how it looks. This will make a good like flatbread. Like a really good flatbread. And you can still kind of taste that Greek yogurt. It's not bad. Not at all. It's actually very, very good. It beats any of those like Pillsbury pizza doughs. Any of those. Like beats it like out of the park. This will taste really good with like curry or something like that. But yeah, I made 4 decent sized slices. I'm just gonna have 2 tonight. Save the rest for lunch tomorrow, so I can try some of that Dubai chocolate tonight before I go to bed. But yeah, I mean, this is really good. I'm gonna start making this like probably whenever I need to make like a flatbread. So I'll wait to rank this when I put out my actual pizza video on the food channel. But I'm gonna finish this last slice, and then we're gonna get into that Dubai chocolate before we go to bed. Okay, Dubai chocolate from Reams Sweets in Denver, Colorado. They said that they make these every morning fresh. So this was made today. Oh, this is huge. That is gigantic. Okay. I've been wanting to try this forever. I asked the lady at the store. I'm not sure if she was the owner or not, but she gave owner vibes. But I asked her, I was like, do you think these are overrated? And she was like, I mean, they're good, but she was like, they're for special stuff, like special occasions. And you got TikTokers and everybody and me like trying them just to try them. But, I've been wanting to do that for a long time. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like this. It smells like chocolate. I like pistachio. I don't think I've ever had Knauf before, unless I have. I may have had Knauf before. But yeah, it's not really much to do but just to try it. They're fresh, and she told me to put them in the fridge, and I can already feel it melting. And there's no way I'm eating all this. Like, I'm not even a big chocolate dude. But yeah, let's give it a taste. Okay, so that tasted more or less what I expected it to taste like. Like, I figured that like it was somewhat overhyped. And don't get me wrong, I can tell that's really good quality chocolate. But if I had to compare it to anything, growing up, my favorite cereal was Frosted Shredded Wheat, and that is exactly what that tastes like. It tastes like you got a bunch of Frosted Shredded Wheat, not even frosted, just like shredded wheat cereal, and you just covered it in really good quality chocolate. That's exactly what that tastes like. I mean, you can taste the pistachio, but at its core, it tastes like chocolate and Frosted Shredded Wheat. It's not bad, but would I go out of my way to get Dubai chocolate again? No. All right, guys, that was dinner. That was dessert. I'm exhausted. I'm getting ready to go to bed. Um, I don't know what it's gonna look like in the morning. Last time I was here, the entire place was covered in snow, so I really don't know what this place looks like. I got here at night, so in the morning, hopefully it's not crowded, and I can take Lars on a small walk, or maybe just go stretch my legs and show you guys what the area looks like. But I'm gonna clean up and go to bed. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good night.